Welcome to Tool School. Today we want to talk about some fashion accessories. There are some really cool fashion accessories that we can make to highlight our fashion quilting or home decor projects. Think tassels. Look around and you'll see that tassels are a trending accent piece for fashion accessories, jewelry, home decor, and crafts. Using Clover tassel makers allows us to select from a wide variety of yarns, threads, cords, or any other fiber types to make the perfect size, shape, and color tassel for any project. Clover tassel makers are available in two sizes. The large tassel maker has preset finished sizes of 2 3/8 inch, 2 3/4 inch, 3 1/8 inch, 3 1/2 inch, and 4 inches. The small tassel maker has preset finished sizes of 1 3/16 inches, 1 9/16 inches, and 2 inches. Just select the size tassel you want and the fiber that meets your creative expectation. The tassel maker allows you to wrap that fiber at the right length and holds it in place while we tie the center cord and then cut the free ends. After that, we just trim and shape to suit our needs. Pom-Poms are another valued accent piece for any quilting, fashion, jewelry, home decor, or craft project. Clover's Pom-Pom maker is the tool that makes these little gems. The Pom-Pom maker set comes in 4 sizes. Extra small, which is 1 3/8 inches, small, which is 1 5/8 inches, large, which is 2 1/2 inches, and jumbo, which is 3 3/8 inches. Each pom-pom maker is marked with chevrons to allow you to segregate different colors of yarn to different sections of the pom-pom for the ultimate in creative flexibility. Just wrap yarn in the desired color or colors around the maker arms as desired, cut the yarn in the groove, tie the center cord in place, and remove the new pom-pom from the maker. Trim and fluff it up and you're done. Make as many as you want. Kansashi flowers are another great accent piece. Making them from scratch can be difficult and frustrating. Making them with Clover's Kansashi flower maker templates make it a breeze. First, the creative part. Select the petal shape that fits your creative inspiration. Then select the fabric style, color, and pattern that complements that inspiration. Second, now we make the flower. Place the fabric in the flower maker. Close and trim around the template with needle and thread sew numerically across the holes provided in the template. Open the template and pull the thread through the fabric to form the flower petal shape. Repeat for as many petals as necessary to complete your flower just as you envisioned. Tassels, pom-poms, and Kansashi flowers, all beautiful accent pieces and all made with Clover tools. I'm Steve Butler, and that's been Tool School.